Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing the print function. So I'm going to be explaining what the print function does. So first we have to type this and then we run it. So what it's doing is the print command is printing whatever is inside the quotes and brackets. So if I change this to hello world, then it's going to print hello world. But if I change it to 89, it's also going to print 89. So whatever's inside the brackets and quotes, and there's a print next to it, and so if you type print and then put brackets and quotes, and whatever you type in there, it will print that. Remember to smash that subscribe button and hit the like if you enjoyed this video. Bye.